Almost 4 years ago, I made the decision to move back to New York from Florida, where I'd been living for 3 years. Um, Upon returning to New York, I enrolled at SUNY Adirondack in their criminal justice substance abuse program. A year before graduation, I was given an internship opportunity at the Waite House in Glens Falls. The Waite House stands for Welcoming Adolescents in Transition. They offer housing for homeless youth, case management services, and they also offer linkage, so children that are coming there can get services for mental health, medical issues, substance abuse problems, and other things like that. Something I saw a lot of during my time at the Waite House is teenagers who suffer from mental illness. Many of them are also suffering from the stigma behind mental illness. They think that something's wrong with them, that they're crazy, that it's all in their head, and that they need to figure it out on their own. This happens to a lot of people with mental illness, and people also suffer from other issues involving mental illness as well. Sometimes it can be difficult for people with mental illness to get help. Their doctor or insurance may require that they get referrals to other places, which can take a lot of time. If people are on medications, it can take a long time to get the right cocktail of medications to work for them. And seeing how the stigma behind mental illness has affected those that I work with, um, I've become interested in trying to help stop the stigma behind mental illness. But I believe that as people learn more about mental illness and how it affects people and how they can get help, I believe that that will help to stop the stigma behind mental illness. Um, Now I want to show you guys. I spoke in my introduction essay about my dog Colt, so just wanted to show you a picture of him. Colt is 4 years old. He is a Mastador, which is a breed mix between a Mastiff and a Labrador Retriever. Um, Labs are usually known for loving the water, but mine hates the water. He's terrified of it. Won't go outside if it's raining. Won't go near a puddle. He's terrible to try to give a bath to. Um, when we first got him, the vet suggested that he would probably be around 100 pounds. He's currently really close to 180 pounds. For a size comparison, I chose to use this photo. This is him on a queen size bed, so it kind of gives you the idea of how big he actually is. Um, but but aside from spending time with my dog and family, I spend most of my time at work. I work full time Wednesday through Sunday. I spend the rest of my time at school Monday through Thursday. Um, I'm pursuing my bachelor's degree in criminal justice from the Plattsburgh branch campus, and I'm looking forward to graduating in May.